Hey, greetings everyone. Quick update. I'm at Casa Flores, and this is the location for the October, November, December workshops. So I've gotten some space down the back where I can comfortably fit half a dozen people. I'll give you a quick tour. You can find the venue on Google Maps. It's quite a nice place. There's a nice lounge here to relax, and the people are absolutely lovely here. If you are wanting to stay here directly, I suggest contacting Carmina, the manager, and getting a discount. To book through her, I think it'll be cheaper than any of the booking.com or any of those other places, because it's and the monthly rent, it's $1,050 for a room if you're staying monthly. Paying by PayPal, paying cash is $1,000. So it's a nice space. The pool's good. Harris is staying in that room. I'm in the next one at the moment. And if you need her contact details, they're on Google Maps. And if you want me to send you a pin, just let me know, and I can send you a pin. Okay, so these are the rooms. There's a few rooms up there and a few in the back, but you don't need to be staying at the resort if you're going to attend the training with me. You're more than welcome to just stay at another resort and come here in the morning. Just hit the doorbell and the staff will open up for you, so you can come in. Okay, thanks everyone, and we'll talk to many of you soon and see the rest of you on the next video. Okay, bye.